Hi YouTube, today I have another beautiful Sri Lankan style pan roasted spicy chicken. It's one of my personal favorite dish. It goes really well with rice and curry. It's really nice and simple and easy to make. This is my grandmother's recipe, so do try it at home and do subscribe. So stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly how we get this chicken roasted, exactly how my grandmother does it back in her kitchen. So to get started, I got some ginger garlic paste, some chili powder, some turmeric, and some goroka, and also palm pepper and some salt. So I've cleaned and washed my chicken. So I've got some nice large chunky pieces of chicken here. So I've washed my chicken with lemon and turmeric powder. I'm going to throw in all the spices together to my chicken. I'm going to marinate the chicken and leave it for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll put in all my spices straight away. So this is the bunch of spices that goes into this dish. Nothing much, so you got to use your hands and just mix the spices together with the chicken, so the chicken gets well and evenly coated with the spices. So give it a very nice mix. So here I have mixed it very well, and I'm going to rest this chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes before we start cooking. So make sure the spices are well coated with the chicken, or else you won't get the real flavor. So this is my friend here. He's gonna do this dish. So he's gonna make this for us today. My pan here nice and hot. I put some oil and I'm putting in some chili flakes. So I'm gonna infuse the oil with the chili flakes. So I'm adding it about a tablespoon of chili flakes. So the oil get infused with the chili flakes and it's gonna turn into a chili oil. So I'm adding a bit more chili because I like this dish to be a spicy dish. So I'm frying this in the vegetable oil. So I'm frying the chili flakes in the vegetable oil. Afterwards, we are going to place our marinated chicken in the pan. So my friend is busy cooking this dish for you guys. So and make sure it's on a medium heat. You don't want to burn the chili and it's going to taste different. So I'm giving it a good fry on a medium gas mark. It's all good. So we're going to place the chicken on the pan and then start roasting it. Okay, so we can get started. We can get started by placing the chicken evenly in the pan on a medium gas mark, and we're going to place everything individually evenly on the pan, and then we're going to cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken is going to release its juices, it's going to release its water. After it releases the water, we are going to open the lid and cook until the water evaporates, and then we're going to roast it on both the sides. So we're going to cover the pan and then cook until it releases juices or releases the water. So it's released its juices, so we're going to turn upside and on both the sides. We're going to cook both the sides so the chicken get roasted evenly. So you turn both the sides and roast the chicken until all the moist disappear from the pan. It has to be roasted, and all the liquid that you see on the pan, the oil gets evaporated, all the juices get evaporated, and the chicken get well and nicely roasted on the pan. So keep turning it upside down. You don't have to cover it or cover the lid, so you just keep roasting. Roasted my chicken. I'm going to plate it and get ready for dinner. So this goes my drumstick. I have another piece of chicken there, so I'm plating it up on a nice and beautiful clay pot. So it looks nice and crisp. The chicken looks really yummy. It's nicely roasted. It's coated with that chili oil. So I'm gonna place the chicken evenly, and then I'm gonna put the chili oil on top for the garnish. I'm gonna put the chili oil beautifully on top of the chicken, and also I've cut some red onions. It creates a nice texture for the dish, so I'm gonna put in some nice and finely circled red onions onto my dish, and I'm gonna squeeze a lime. The lime that is squeezed adds life to this dish. The lime creates a beautiful tangy flavor. So you got the onions there. You can mix it up if you want the onions to get well mixed with the dish. And I'm gonna squeeze the lime. This lime creates a beautiful flavor. It's like you give life to this dish. So lime is a must. Squeeze the lime and the dish is ready to go. So it's a dinner time. The chicken is ready. The chicken is roasted. I have my spicy temple dal curry. I will upload the dal curry very soon. I've got my spicy tempered dal curry, Sri Lankan dal curry. I got some fried chili, and also I've got Sri Lankan rice, and I've got 2 plates. And my friend is ready for the dinner, and he's gonna.
Bro, you're ready? You're gonna enjoy the lunch, dinner?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna try. Wow. Wow. This is the best, man. This is the best one.
You like it?
Yeah, man.
Is it too spicy?
Spicy, but very tasty.
You like the roast chicken?
Yeah, man. It's so good, man. Wow. Perfect.